Hello, my name is Julia Sapho, and today we are going to discuss the TED analysis. The speaker I chose is Sue Austin, and the main point thesis of her speech is, even though she is wheelchair bound, she can do whatever she likes, even sea diving. Deep sea diving, that is. She started off by telling how she felt because of the wheelchair. She had a new freedom. She had great expectations. She kept the focus on herself, her chair, and the crutches that she used. She also used a slideshow with details and pictures to help maintain the audience's attention throughout the entire presentation. As long as they were focused in on that, they didn't need to focus on anything else at all. And that was a great idea that she had. The TED commandment that I feel that she followed the best was definitely to dream big. She started off by using her power wheelchair to paint different types of pictures, whether it was on the sidewalk, in the grass, anywhere. Then she decided eventually that she wanted to do deep sea diving. And she figured that'd be a great challenge to tackle. If everyone else can do it, why couldn't she? She could even make the adjustments. Her speech followed Nancy Duarte's sparkline structure by starting in the birth and home stage of her trying to figure out what she was able to do, what she couldn't do with her chair. Then she had call to an adventure stage. That's because she started with painting and other different things so that she could see how far she could test those limits. This also followed crossing the threshold stage. When she and her chair were in the swimming pool, she wanted to make sure that she would be able to do this not just test-wise, but in actuality, which also followed the testing stage. She came to the climax or the final battle stage when she was actually able to go sea diving. She made sure that she had everything that she needed, her scuba gear, her flippers for the front of her chair, her air tank, just the simple stuff that she would use if she were to do it with her own two legs, but she added them to the chair. The star moment of my TED Talk was watching the video of her actually doing her deep sea diving. It was inspiring. It was exhilarating, to say. It was something that you've never heard of. And for her to be able to do it, it just made it all the more, I want to say, enticing maybe. The delivery of her presentation was great because she kept the total focus on herself and on what she used to center base. Her chair, her crutches, her slideshow, by giving good visuals as well as visual presentation, she was able to connect with the audience and let them feel like they were a part of it, like they were there. And not just to listen, but as if you lived in the house with her. You were there when she suffered these debilitating illnesses that made her unable to walk again, as well as going through step by step of her recovery of everything that she came through. In my upcoming Pechakucha, I will remember to be inspiring and unforgettable, just as Sue did. She did this for me, so I would like to do the same for others. I will definitely keep my visuals simple and down to the point. With my visual presentation, I will make sure that that follows suit and it stays right where it needs to be. My goal is to touch the hearts and lives of everyone that is in my audience, to give them a message of clarity and to give them the thought of, if somebody can overcome this, then so can I. Once again, thank you. My name is Julia Sapho, and I hope you have a blessed day.